For this video, I will show you how to upload an Excel file to QuickBooks Online. First, click on Transactions and choose Bank Transactions. Now click on Upload Transactions, and here you can add your Excel file. Now click on Continue. After that, for Select an Account, choose Cash and Cash Equivalents. Then Continue. Now for this, choose Yes if the first row in your file is a header. Then for the second one, choose how many columns contains an amount. Then choose the format of the date that you use to your Excel file. Now select the fields that corresponds to your file. Here I will show you my Excel file. As you can see, here are the information from my Excel file, and it needs to correspond to my QuickBooks. Now for the description, I will choose voucher type. For the amount, I will choose transfer amount for the first one, then bank amount for the second. For check number, I will choose on invoice number. Then continue. Now just check the checkbox beside date. Then continue and click on yes. Now you're done. Your Excel file is now uploaded to QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.